Chocolate pancakes, Ed? Sure, why not? Coming right up. What goes good with chocolate pancakes, Ed? Well, strawberry rhubarb jam and lots of butter. The trick is to layer the jam and the butter for every pancake. And how do you make chocolate pancakes, Ed? Well, I make them chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, whey protein. When done, there will be a third pancake. It will easily be over 1,000 calories. That is 1 cup of flour, about a tablespoon of baking powder, salt, sugar, and whey protein. Kinda looks something like this. Nom nom nom, it's so good.